Let's start class 10th light chapter reflection and refraction. My mail ID is this and my YouTube channel is this. These are the three questions I am going to solve it now given in textbook class 10th. Define one diopter of a power of lens. The definition of a diopter, actually power is reciprocal of focal length. Our ability to converge or diverge a beam is called power of lens. One diopter is the unit of power. One diopter is that power whose focal length is 1 meter. So the power will become F P equal to P is equal to 1 by F. So if F is focal length given in meters, then power will be diopter. So one diopter, again I repeat, one diopter is that power whose focal length is 1 meter. So next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is here a convex lens form a real and inverted image. So let us take a convex lens, just a rough diagram. This is a rough diagram. In this rough diagram, let's take the lens over here. This is a convex lens. It is a pole and it has the pole. This is a pole of the lens and this is a focus and this is a 2F, and other side also you can see here is the focus and here is 2F. So the convex lens, you can make it like this. This is the convex lens. So when the here it is given what image is real image. If you are saying real image, that means it will form right side. So somewhere it is given here, and the image is formed at a 50 centimeter, 50 centimeters from here. So the image here, somewhere it is here, that is V is given 50 centimeters. Since it is real, it will be right side, right? So positive. Where is the needle? So now you need to find out where is the needle is placed. That is you need to find out. So the needle somewhere it will be placed here, that you need to find out. So the given things are V is equal to plus 50 centimeters and is asking you how much. So another thing which is given is magnification. Its magnification is -1 because it is a real means h1 will be h and h dash. So h dash by h, that is the size of image by size of object, is equal to v by u. That is equal to what? -1. So v is equal to, v is given, that is 50 by u, which is equal to -1. So therefore u will become -50. So once if you got a -50, that is just using the formula of magnification. Magnification, we can say here, since it is a real image, you will get -1. So it will be inverted, it will form over here, that you can see somewhere here, it will be forming. So since u and v are same place, that means it will become, if it is a object is at 2f and image is also formed at 2f, that means this much. Then second question, what is asking? Power. Power is how much? Just now I told you power is the reciprocal of focal length, that you can write as f. So to find out f, what you have to do, you have a lens formula. Lens formula is what it is? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is a lens formula. So 1 by f you need, then 1 by v means how much it is given. V is 1 by 50. This will be 1 by 50, right? Minus then u, that means 1 by minus 50. So this is the substitution you should remember. Then coming to the calculation part, you can just see here simple calculation. It is use your LCM, minus into minus plus and 50. Then when you take it here, 50 is LCM, then you will get 1 plus 1. You will get 2 by 50. So that is 1 by f. So 1 by f is 2 by 50 means f is equal to what will happen? 50 over on 2. So that will get 25 centimeters. All are given in centimeter, that you remember. Then after that, power unit. Power centimeter means what we are supposed to do, you have to convert into meters because power is measured in meters, that is in diopter. That diopter means focal length must be in meter. So 25 by 100 will become 0.25 meters. Then what is the power formula? P is equal to 1 by f. 1 by f is equal to what you will get? 1 by 0.25. 0.25 means multiply 100, you will get 100 by 25. So you will get here 4 diopters. So finally, what are the answers you have to write? First one is U, which is equal to minus 50 centimeters, and diopter is equal to 4 diopters. So 4 diopters means positive sign. So positive sign indicates convex. Next, third question is here continuity. What is the third question given over here? Find the power of concave lens of focal length 2 meters. Focal length is 2 meters. That is concave lens. Concave lens means focal length, you will get a virtual focus that you have already seen in the theory. Let's start draw this rough diagram over here. The rough diagram will be showing here what is the power of lens, concave lens. Focal length is given 2 meters. So what is the focal length is given? Just write down here focal length is 2 meters. So focal length is 2 meters. So a simple formula Fp is equal to 1 by 2 meters. But it is concave. What is this? Concave. Concave means what you have to do? You just see the rough diagram over here. You can easily understand this. So this is the rough diagram I am drawing. And then just we'll be having here concave. This is a concave lens. Okay. Hope this is clear. So parallel beam you will get here. This side it is. So minus F. So here it is minus. The power will become how much? P is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 minus 0.5 diopters. So for concave minus, for convex plus. That already I told you. Thank you children for watching my channel. If the content is good, please subscribe. Thank you.